Is your garage freezing in winter and sweltering in summer? In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the best garage door insulation kits available on Amazon that will help you stabilize temperatures, reduce energy loss, and even cut down noise. Let's start with the Reach Barrier 3009 Reflective AIR² Garage Door Insulation Kit. This is a user-friendly, lightweight option that's great for beginners. It includes pre-cut panels made from dual reflective layers and a core of bubble insulation, which works to block up to 95% of radiant heat. Not only does it help maintain more consistent interior temperatures, but it also dampens exterior noise. The kit comes with adhesive stickums that allow for tool-free installation. Simply clean the surface of your door and press the panels into place. This is one of the fastest ways to reduce heat gain in hot climates, and users often report a noticeable difference in temperature and acoustics within hours. Next up is a heavy hitter in terms of thermal performance, the OWENS Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit. This fiberglass-based kit provides an R8 rating, one of the highest on the list, and is ideal for homeowners in colder regions where heat retention is a priority. It includes 8 durable fiberglass panels with a white vinyl backing, designed to fit standard 9-foot garage doors. The included retaining clips make installation straightforward and secure, though you may need a utility knife and a bit of patience for precise cuts. OWENS Corning is a trusted name in home insulation, and this kit lives up to its reputation with professional-grade results and excellent long-term performance. If you're looking for something sleek and reflective with serious heat-blocking capabilities, check out the NASATEK White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit combines a rigid foam core with a radiant barrier that reflects heat away from the door surface. It boasts an R8 rating and is particularly effective in reducing high surface temperatures during summer months. In many user reviews, garage door surfaces that once hit 140 degrees Fahrenheit dropped by 30 to 40 degrees after installation. It also adds a clean, bright finish to the interior of your garage, making the space more usable and visually appealing. Installation is quick with the included double-sided tape, and the panels can be trimmed for a custom fit. Another great option for ease of use and aesthetics is the MATADOR SG DIK002 Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit comes with high-impact polystyrene foam panels that are pre-scored for simple trimming. What makes MATADOR stand out is its tool-free press-fit design. No adhesives or fasteners are needed. The panels are cut to size and simply pushed into the garage door's panel recesses. The result is a clean, finished appearance that many users describe as factory-installed quality. It offers solid insulation benefits with a roughly R6 to R8 rating, depending on installation, and it's especially appealing for users who want minimal mess or long setup time. Finally, for those needing a comprehensive, heavy-duty solution, the U.S. Energy Products NASATEK 2-car foam garage door insulation kit delivers both scale and performance. It's designed for larger garage doors up to 18 by 8 feet and comes with thick foam core panels coated with a radiant reflective surface. Rated at R8, this kit is one of the best in terms of energy efficiency. It includes high-quality adhesive tape, trim tools, and a clean white finish on the visible side. In side-by-side comparisons, it has performed impressively well in heat rejection and thermal balance, especially in sun-facing garages. It's an ideal pick for serious upgrades or if you want to insulate and brighten a 2-car garage in one go. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you narrow down your options, be sure to like and subscribe for more home improvement reviews and DIY solutions.